Today I have a new kit to try by Vista Apex. It's called the Endodontic Irrigation Kit. This kit contains 12 milliliters of Chlor-Xtra, 6 milliliters of smear off, 30 gauge irrigation tips, and 1 micro aspirator with a tip. So I get a chance to try this. Here's the Chlor-Xtra, and we're going to use it on this retreatment on tooth number 14. I really like Chlor-Xtra. It's like high power sodium hypochlorite with all these cool modifiers in it and surface surfactants present. And then I'm using the smear off, but smear off is also like high powered EDTA with Chlorhexidine in it. So it really gets in there and get that canal system very nice and clean and remove all the dentin mud there so that you can open up those dental tubules. And then we use the micro aspirator tip that can get really deep inside the canals, that can really help you save time drying the canals and also allow you to irrigate very, very well with nice suction here. And then the next is my new dental laser. So I purchased a dental laser. This laser also helps disinfect this canal, especially when you are having retreatments performed, and it also allows the tooth to heal a lot better.